Hi and welcome back to another stitch tutorial as part of my Closed Stitch series. Today we'll be looking at tilted pairs. For this example, I'll be chaining 15. For your project, you need to chain an even number plus 1. Now I've done my 15 chains, let's start with row 1 by placing a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Into the next chain, we're going to place one single crochet and then into the same space, a double crochet. And now we'll get started on our pattern repeat, where we will skip one chain and into the next place one single crochet and a double crochet into that same space as your single crochet. And continue this pattern until you have one stitch left. So that's skip one and place a single crochet and a double crochet into the next. I'll meet you at the end of the row. Here we are at the end of the row, and we're going to skip one and place a single crochet into that very last stitch. And that's the end of row 1. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work and place a single crochet into that very first stitch. Into the next stitch, we're going to place one single crochet and a double crochet into that same space. Now we start our pattern repeat, where we skip one and place a single crochet and double crochet into the next stitch, and repeat that until you have 2 stitches left at the end of the row. I'm now at the end of the row and I'm going to skip one and place a single crochet into that very last stitch. And that's the end of row 2. To continue this pattern, just repeat row 2 and I'll show you what that looks like after I've done a few more rows. And here's what the tilted pairs look like after 10 rows. It has a really nice popping out texture, perfect for garments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more stitch tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.